Pregnancy and childbirth can lead to some problems. And one of these problems is what we call incontinence, or that's when you accidentally leak urine. But why does this happen? What makes it happen? That's what we're discussing today on the Holistic Wellness Sports. Pregnancy and childbirth, they are all good news for men and women, but the aftermath, there are some problems that you can incur, and one of them is what we call incontinence, or that's when you accidentally leak urine. But what will make this happen? We want to discuss four reasons why you can face this problem. The first one is the pressure on the bladder. You see, during pregnancy, the uterus, or another word for the uterus is the womb, it expands because of the baby. So when it expands, it puts pressure on the bladder. Now we have two muscles. We have the bladder muscle and we have the pelvic floor muscle. When this pressure is on the bladder, it's going to weaken the muscles of the bladder. And now this pelvic floor muscle, which is responsible for controlling urine, will also get its muscles weakened because of the pressure. So when pressure is making them lose their efficiency to help you control urine, what would that lead to? It will make you leak urine. That is the first one. Now I want to talk about the second one. That's hormonal change. During pregnancy, there are a lot of changes that happen. And one of the changes that happen is the increase in progesterone. Progesterone is a hormone. Progesterone is a hormone. This bladder, we know that it has muscles, and these muscles must always be firm to hold urine. So they always need a boost for that. But what this progesterone is going to do is that it's rather going to make these muscles relax. And when they relax, it means that their efficiency will also decrease. So when their efficiency decreases, then their ability to hold urine will also reduce, and that will make the woman leak urine. That is it. Now I want to see the third one. That's pelvic floor muscle. Pelvic floor muscle. You see, during delivery, there are two ways that delivery can be made. One is vaginal delivery, and also we have the C-section. During the vaginal delivery, you need to do something. You need to push. Now this pushing is going to be very strenuous. So the strain in pushing can cause this pelvic floor muscle to stretch. And as it stretches, it can lead to tearing. So when it tears, meaning these muscles will get weak. And as we know, this pelvic floor muscle is what is responsible for controlling your urine. So when the muscles get weaker, meaning they can't control the urine anymore. So the damage of this pelvic floor muscle during pushing can make a woman leak urine or experience this incontinence after delivery. Now I want to look at the fourth one, which is C-section. We talked about the vaginal delivery, which involves the pushing. The C-section or the cesarean section doesn't need pushing, but rather it's a surgical cut that the baby will be taken out. But when mistakenly, this surgical cut isn't done well, it can affect the abdominal muscles and also affect this pelvic floor muscle as well. This pelvic floor muscle, it's really suffering, it's really suffering during childbirth. And you see, this is what happens to women. But after delivery, there are some things that can be done to help the woman recover. There are some exercises that they can do, like Kegel exercise and others. Some exercise that will help the pelvic floor muscle to regain its efficiency again. And also nutrition will also help. So women are really going through a lot and they need to be treated right. These things we mentioned, they are not easy. They need to be treated right. So next time, just treat your woman well, or treat any woman well, because they go through a lot to get their delivery done. So in our next video, we are going to tackle our last topic on urine. But before that, maybe you'll be interested in doing some body transformations, maybe weight loss, maybe loosen belly fat, or any other. At Eddie Fitness 24 Club, we have our coaching programs there. When you get into the description, when you're on YouTube, that's it, you can access our WhatsApp link. Just send us a message and we are going to chat with you and see how we can get started, or straight get into the website, fill the forms there, and we are going to get started. This is the Holistic Wellness Sports from the studios of Eddie Fitness 24 Club. See you next time.